Welcome to SWMRT, Solid Waste Management Roundtable.
Once we start composting, most of us have or will encounter many questions and problems. Some common issues. There is white fungus in the compost bin. Is that bad? Water vapor below the lid. What do I do? Too many fruit flies around my compost bin. Did I do something wrong? I see worms. They look like maggots inside the bin. They look creepy. How do I get rid of them? Black liquid under my compost bin. My bin is leaking. Did I do something wrong? My compost bin smells. How do I fix that? How do I know my compost is ready? About white fungus. This is a good sign. It means your composting process is active. There is nothing to worry. Continue to layer kitchen waste with coco peat and dry leaves. If the fungus is not white in color, then there is something wrong. We recommend discarding the contents. Water vapor below the lid. This is also a good sign. It means the aerobic microorganisms are working and composting is in progress. Wipe it with a dry cloth and close it back again. Fruit flies. This is one of the most common problem and hence there are multiple solutions. We can place a bowl of water and add 4 to 5 pieces of camphor on the compost bin. Cover the kitchen waste completely with crushed dry leaves or coco peat. Adding 2 to 3 drops of aromatic oil like eucalyptus, lemongrass or lavender oil also helps. Cover it with a mosquito net or a thin cotton cloth around the compost bin. Placing a newspaper or cotton cloth on the compost pile will also reduce fruit flies. Next problem, maggots. Maggots are babies of fruit fly, housefly or a black soldier fly. The eggs of flies are very small and maggots come out if the compost pile is too wet. So reducing fruit flies will help reduce maggots. Remember, maggots are good for composting. We recommend cutting larger vegetable and fruit peels into 1-inch pieces. Do not dump your kitchen waste. Instead, layer it with equal portion of browns. Avoid rain or water splash on the compost bin. Remember, the compost should not be too wet. Kitchen waste has 60 to 70% water or moisture. To ensure the compost is not too wet, we need to add equal proportion of browns like crushed dry leaves and coco peat. Bad smell, another common problem. The reason for bad smell is due to anaerobic conditions or lack of air circulation in the compost bin. Do not add big lump of cooked food or whole vegetables into the bin. If you have rotten vegetables or fruits, cut it into small pieces. Leftover rice blocks or ragi balls need to be broken and then spread in compost bin. If you have a leaky bin with leachate collected in the bottom plate, it means the amount of browns added is not enough. Your compost is too wet. All the water content from your kitchen waste is not absorbed. To fix a leaky bin, use a pipe or a stick to dig 4 holes in the pile and add coco peat or compost so that it can absorb excess moisture. Always remember to drain the water content from your food like sambar, rasam, and only add the solids like vegetables, greens, or pulses. How do you know if the compost is ready? First, check if the contents in the compost bin has reduced by 40 to 50% by volume. This should have happened in 4 to 6 weeks period. Using a rake or a stick, mix the top layer. Most of the kitchen waste should have composted. Your compost should smell like moist soil. No bad smell. This means your compost is ready. Do not dry your compost under direct sunlight. Drying it for 10 to 12 hours in shade should be sufficient. Always store your compost in a cool, dry place. Your compost should be moist. When you squeeze it, there should be few drops of water content. Composting is an art and a bit of science. Being attentive and taking action immediately can solve a lot of problems. Thank you for watching this video.